Let me show you how to change type C charging port easily and quick. As you can see, this charging port here is broken already. My customer brought the phone for me to fix the charging port. I told her to get a downboard. She said no money for now, but because I know how to fix this type of charging port, so no need for me to get a new downboard. If the downboard is still clean and still neat, I can fix another charging port. It will work perfectly and clean. It will be very neat. As you can see, I'm about to fix it now. I finished applying my paste. I set my workstation, the heat. I set the heat 350. Then the air, I set it 2. Then I use it to blow off the charging port. So if you are doing this type of work, don't be in a hurry to do the work. If not, you will spoil the mouthpiece. The mouthpiece is always very close to the charging port, so you will always be very careful so that you will not spoil the mouthpiece. I just on the workstation now, that's why it's taking some time, but I've removed it now. That's the old one. I will put a new one now. So after you finish removing the charging port like my own, set the heat so that it will not spoil the mouthpiece. You use your soldering iron, as you can see now. Use your soldering iron to dress the leg. Make sure that the legs is not touching, the other leg is not touching the second one, is not bridging. If not, it may affect the phone. It may affect the phone and it can even burn also. So if you are doing this kind of job, you don't need to rush. You just need to take time. See the new one I want to fix here. As you can see, I'm taking my time to do this. If you have any question to ask me, drop your question on the comment section. I will be very happy to answer your question. As you can see now, this is when I'm fixing it now. I'm fixing it. You have to take your time to set it. Don't be in a hurry. As you can see, I'm done setting it now. If you look at the charging port, you look at the legs, you will see that the legs are properly connected. The legs are properly connected and very neat and clean. So I will now use my soldering iron to make sure that I dress the leg so that it will connect, it will touch. If you don't use your soldering iron, if you just fix it like that, let me just say 2 to 3 days, it will still pull off. So always make sure that you apply paste, then use your soldering iron. Look at what I'm doing now. Use your soldering iron to dress the leg properly. Take your time to dress the legs properly. As you can see, it's very clean. See how the leg is very clean. Dress it properly and very clean. I'm taking my time. The ones that have breached, so I use soldering iron to disconnect them. I don't allow them to touch. If not, it may affect the phone. So take your time like this and do it, and make sure you scrape your iron so that it will be very hot. As you can see now, I'm dressing the legs. Dress the legs. Don't apply any lead. Don't put lead. Just use your soldering iron and make sure you use the soldering iron to dress the leg well. If you want to apply any lead, make sure you use liquid lead. It will be very easy. But if you use wire lead, it might really disturb or affect the legs. It will stress you because that one is always it always has problem with the legs. It will always breach. So when doing this kind of job, is either you don't apply lead at all, or you use liquid lead. it will work perfectly. Just look at what I'm doing. I'm taking my time to do this so that you will know it's not a job that you need to rush. It's not something you rush to do it. It's not something you rush. You take your time. As you can see, I am done already. I'm done already. I will test it so you will see that it is working perfectly and clean. Let me test it now. When you finish, make sure you clean it so that any lead that is on the charging port, you will clean it off. Any dirty things that is on the charging port or the legs, you can clean it off. So let me bring the phone so I will test it. You will see that it will work perfectly, 100% working. Let me test it. If you have a question to ask me, drop your question on the comment section. Let me test it now so you will see. I've put the down board. Let me plug charger so you can see it's working perfectly. It's working like a new downboard. As you can see, I just plugged it. The battery was very down, but because the downboard is very powerful, it has booted up. It's now working. Thank you for watching.